gorgeous people. I am so excited. I am doing a quick unboxing on RizosCurls. Now, I won these products in a giveaway. Prior to the giveaway, I had no idea about RizosCurls. And once I saw Gigi and Crystal, aka Curly Ever After, curly dot ever dot after, no dot. After I saw that they were doing the giveaway, I had to do some quick research, and I was super excited and definitely hoping that I won the giveaway, and I did, so I'm so excited. So my products just came in the mail not too long ago. So this is just an unboxing video. If you guys want to see me actually try these products, make sure you guys comment below, a thumbs up, a smiley face, or just like the video and share, or just tell me. So, RizosCurls. And I already threw, obviously it's already unboxed, but I didn't open it yet. And I accidentally threw away the value of how much it would have cost me if I purchased all 4 of these. I believe it was $69. And all the reviews that I read are amazing. So I'm so excited. So first we're gonna start with what they included in the box. So this is a sticker, RizosCurls. And then there's a step 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the guide that they give you and how to use the products, which is awesome because I know for the most part we have common sense, but sometimes there's some of us that don't necessarily have all of those sense, and that's okay. So it's really nice that they give you detailed information on their products. So wash, condition, detangle, and style. So this comes with a hydrating shampoo, a deep conditioner, a refresh and detangle spray, and a curl defining cream. Ooh. And the back is in Espanol. So that's awesome. And then it says, thank you so much for supporting RizosCurls. RizosCurls is created from the heart and is my dream come true. Formula for perfect curls. I hope you love RizosCurls as much as I love making it for you. Con amor, Julissa. Wait, con amor, Julissa. Follow RizosCurls at RizosCurls on Instagram, RizosCurls Hair on Facebook, at RizosCurls Hair on Twitter, or contact at RizosCurls.com for their email address. And then there are beautiful ladies, different curl textures and patterns, so that's awesome. Very beautiful ladies. And again, just one more beautiful person. So let's get into it. And I'm recording on my phone because my camera has been being very disrespectful and I just haven't had the time to figure out why. So we're recording on our phone for the next couple of days. But you know what? We pay so much money for it, why not? Okay, back to the point. RizosCurls hydrating shampoo, shea butter moringa oil. So excited. Ugh, I don't want to do it with my teeth because what if it gets in my mouth? It smells good. It smells good. Not like bada boom, bada bing, but it does smell good. And I don't know. It smells really good though. No sulfate silicones. So of course, the ingredients look pretty good. Now they don't mark it as necessarily being a organic or a natural hair company, which as you guys have followed my Instagram before, my preference is natural products, pretty much products that I can eat. I would love to put it on my hair, but I am not opposed because I have a lot of products that are not natural, because I'm a product junkie, but that are not natural that my hair absolutely loves. Okay, come on now. Okay, ooh, filled all the way to the top. That is a bonus. Okay. This one smells good. Ooh, this one smells really, really good. Some of the key ingredients are olive oil, sunflower oil, and coconut oil. So if your hair does not like shea butter, oh no, it still has shea butter in there, but it has it more towards the end. So this is the deep conditioner. Okay. Everything looks great. I'm assuming the curl defining cream will smell the same, but we'll see. I know it's dangerous using this knife, but I do want to see if it's creamy or not. But I hate wasting products. I'm only gonna use a little bit. Okay, so the curl defining cream is more like lotion-like. So it's not like a gel. I don't waste products. We put it all in the hair, child. But this is more like a lotion, so it's good to know. Curl defining cream is like a lotion texture. It is thin. It smells amazing. Amazing. Okay, last but not least, we have the spray. Detangling spray. Child proof and adult proof. Okay, coconut oil, olive oil, and shea is what they put on there, but obviously they mean shea butter. Okay, this has some good stuff. First, before I tell you what's in here, let me smell it. Oh, it's thick. It's not like a watery spray. See how that's some thickness. Yeah, this is thick. Oh yeah. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, so all of them smell amazing. The shampoo, probably not my favorite. It doesn't stink, but if I had to pick, doesn't smell as good as the other three. Hydrates, moisturize curls to renew curls between wash days. Detangles freshly washed hair. Reduces frizz, cleanses scalp, locks in moisture. Okay, all right. So some of the ingredients that I'm excited about, of course, olive oil, shea butter, neem oil, that's what I'm excited about. Nettle extract, I'm excited about. And some of these other ones, I don't really know. Aloe leaf, so, okay, all right. And some of these other products, I don't know. It does have some like long words like polyurethane-14. That's why I said I'm not surprised if it's not organic, because they don't say that they are, but doesn't necessarily mean that that's bad for your hair. Okay, I'm excited. So that's it, guys. That is it. This was just a quick video of me unboxing. Like I mentioned before, if you are curious, you want to see me use these products on my hair, you guys have to show me love, show me love, show me love. Follow me on Instagram at Hairvolutions, which I am posting on there daily, or at least every other day. And subscribe to my channel. Click below, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.